Hello, in this video I'm going to show you 5 camera tips and tricks for your Motorola Moto G84. So first of all, you can use volume buttons. They are located on the right side. When you click on the volume up or volume down, you are able to take the photos. When you click and hold one of this button, as you can see with the, let me show you one more time. With this button right here, we are able to switch between the photo and the video mode when you hold it. And when you click on the volume down button, you can actually take the photos, or when you hold it, you are able to take the series of the photo. Next, when you click on the screen, you are able to adjust the brightness level manually or automatically by tapping twice. When you tap right here, you can find this the filters. They will change the color and the temperature on your videos, and that's actually how it works. And the last very useful option will be located in the settings. So when you go for the capture settings, you can find option of the quick capture. So we have to twist our wrist twice quickly to open the rear camera. So let me show you how it works. And as you can see, we are in the camera. So that's quick gesture. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.